And on today's video, myself and Pa, we're going to go for a spin, just an evening spin. Sometimes it doesn't have to be all about the adventure. Sometimes just a spin between the boys and the girls, whatever, you know. But this time it's myself and Pa, and we haven't been out for ages together. And he's just bought a new Triumph Street Triple. So we're going to go out for a spin to Leamy Brian, have a cup of tea, and spin back in the road. So enjoy the spin. Thank God the weather's good this week, and we're getting out and about. So let's go.
You cold? Your finger's cold. What? Cold. What?
Waiting for the fan to kick in.
By keeping that by you get the winter, the heated grips or the heated gloves. Oh, gloves are savage, man. Forever warm. We go in the new road then when we come in. Come on, boy.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoyed it myself. It wasn't the usual adventure and finding different places and stuff like that as well, but you know something, these adventures when you're just going out for a spin with one of your friends is as good as any, and it's very enjoyable when you're just going out the road, get a stretch for an hour or so, and just meet up, cup of tea, have a chat, and a good old spin out the road, you know. So thanks very much for watching, and if you're liking the videos, just continue to like the videos, drop some comments, have a chat on the YouTube channel there, and hopefully I'll see you out in the good weather in the next couple of weeks. And once again, thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as well. If you want to subscribe to the channel, just hit the bell notifications there, and we'll see you the next time. Okay, thanks very much. Deise Rebel out.